His skills have taken him not just to the World Championships, but to the top of the World Championships. And now a Connecticut barber is using his expertise to train the next generation.
Yeah, this is really cool. Fox 61's Amanda Rouse is taking us to MC Barber Academy in today's Work in CT.
So when your fading is good.
He's known as MC Barber, a world champion barber who has taken his talents to international competitions.
I became very passionate about this. I've been doing it for 20 years now, 21 years now, and the passion never left me.
After opening his Weathersfield barbershop, he wanted to expand, and in November, he introduced his clients to a new MC Barber experience on the Berlin Turnpike in Berlin. The MC Barber Academy and Studio has a dual purpose.
I wanted to have a place where I can train students who are people who are already professionals and also who want to get in industry, and also have a spa where we can really offer a full service to guys where they can come, sit down, have an espresso, a cappuccino, get their manicure, pedicure, color if they like, haircuts, whether it's a trend or a classic.
He says to bring the industry to that next level, you need education. That's what he's doing for his students, offering intensive courses in men's hairstyling.
We've really broken down everything from scissor work to razor, blow drying styling, clipper work. So just incorporating that, in the day-to-day.
The 1,000-hour curriculum covering everything from salesmanship to hygiene to clipping.
The more you cut, the better you get.
The hope is that these students will take pride in their work and advance in their careers.
I try to install in my students passion, really, like to love what they do, to enjoy it, and to make good living out of it.
MC Barber also offers workshops with one-on-one courses with the world champion barber. We posted information on our website, fox61.com. I'm Amanda Rouse, Fox 61 News.